In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you what a budget of about $700,000 to $750,000 can get you in the Greater London area. So if you're looking to get a brand new 4-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom, detached net zero house with a garage and a massive backyard, stay tuned to watch this video because this will blow you away. Like, share, subscribe. Let's get to it. Hi guys, we are once again out and about, and this time we are in one of the best model homes I've ever seen in my entire life from one of the best builders in Canada. Right now we are just in the kitchen. In here we have stainless steel appliances, and just look at the beautiful cabinets. You can store entire livelihoods inside these cabinets. You have cabinets for days. You will not lack any sort of storage in this kitchen. Trust me, it's fantastic. Now let's head into this masterpiece of a dining set. First off, look at this beautiful, beautiful light. Looks like something from the future. And even the beautiful, beautiful dining set, everything put together in such a fantastic way. This is the kind of quality that you're looking at when you're buying with this builder. Now, let's go over to the living room. Living room has all the finishes that you'll ever need. Just look at this beautiful celestial chandelier just right above your fireplace, your couch, your coffee table. Just imagine yourself waking up in the morning and coming to this view every single day. Well, if you have kids, the view might change, but not too much. But imagine yourself waking up and coming to this view every single day. And even though it's gloomy outside, you have such magnificent windows and pathways to go out in the summer and obviously to keep closed in the winter. This is a net zero house. So this means that this is one of the most energy efficient houses you will ever find on the market. And this is what the builder does every single time. They're thinking of you, they're thinking of your pocket, and they're also thinking of your tastes and designs. Now, on this main level, let's move on to the first bedroom. Let's go upstairs. Let's look at the quality of the finishing on the stairs. And if you notice, normally if you're walking up normal stairs, you'll be hearing the footsteps, but with this, because of the quality of the wood and the quality of the build, you literally could not hear me stepping upstairs. It is that fantastic. Now upstairs, first thing you'll see is your own upstairs sitting room. Just a nice little place for everyone to gather if you don't feel like going downstairs and you just want to chill in the winter, and most importantly, look outside and enjoy some natural sunlight. This will be the place for you. So just imagine the vibe of this house would be perfect for get-togethers. Have some friends upstairs, and you can also have some friends downstairs that you're conversating with, so to speak, in this fantastic open space and with this fantastic view. And right beside your open space area, you have this magnificent bedroom, once again tastefully furnished with very large windows and natural light coming in. Look at your closet. Beautiful, beautiful, and very thoughtful way of hanging closet doors. These are the details I always look out for when I'm purchasing from a client. These are the things that you buy and you wake up in the morning, and there's so many details in the house that you constantly feel this little buzz of happiness every time you use them. Look at this massive space over here. You can use this for pretty much anything you want. It's most likely going to be used as a linen closet. I would use to hide my snacks, but it's all up to you. The space is here. You can do whatever you want. It is your house. Now, this bathroom. Just going into the bathroom here. Take a look at all the space that you'll be enjoying. And the quality of the build, I keep stressing this a lot. The quality of the build is tip top. This is going to be yours if you get this fantastic place. And right beside this bathroom, you have bedroom number 3. It's a beautiful, very cozy space. Lovely finishing. You're going to absolutely love this. Finally, let me take you to the basement. The basement for most people is a dungeon that you should not visit at any point in time. But with this builder, if you're opting for a package with a finished basement, let me show you the type of thing, the type of build that you're going to get. It's one of the most fantastic things that you ever see get done with the basement. So let's go downstairs. It is such a beautifully done job. And just as a kicker, I promised you something. When you go in here, you have an extra bedroom. And that's not all. Even in the basement, you still have this beautiful, beautifully done bathroom ready for you to use. And it's not just a half bathroom. A half bathroom is on the main floor. I'll show you that when we go and check out the laundry room before we exit this beautiful place. But just look at what you'll be getting from the builder. Fantastic, fantastic amount of space. You will not regret it. And if you need even more space, this is now where you can expand and do quite a lot of the things that you want to do. Don't think you need to see that, but yeah, let's go back upstairs and let's check out the laundry. Before we leave, this will be your half bathroom, half bed. No, not half bed, your half bathroom. Once again, beautifully done job, tastefully designed. Something that you want to buy and keep for a very, very, very long time. Finally, coming into the house, you have your mudroom and this beautiful, beautiful laundry. All right, so if you enjoyed this house tour, don't forget, send me a DM, give me a call, leave a comment. Builders prices are fantastic. Get in before the craziness comes in. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.